rest of the day, just arriving, getting settled. We did check in, hotel is nice, the weather is nice, and now we're gonna find Tony a bar. How you holding up?
Doing all right.
Cool.
It's only just begun.
Well, it's right over there. Look at the flowers, it's so nice. Look at this. See, this is why I love Gothenburg. Went to a second-hand store and I got a jacket. Good? Good. We're gonna be fine. Hey, look, stairs. Wait. Yep. Little things in life that make me really happy. And this makes me really happy right now. Perfect. Back at the hotel. I am a little tired. That was a long day. Guys, if you ever happen to be in Gothenburg, go to see the Steampunk Bar. I've been there before, but just for drinks, so this time we included dinner. It was amazing. And if you happen to like secondhand clothing stores, just like me, you can't miss Juno. Juno here in Gothenburg is like the best for good quality leather, secondhand stuff, like really cool stuff. And I just got this incredible cool jacket. Ta-ta! I'm very happy. And you know what's the best about it? It's warm. Gothenburg is a great city and I'm happy to be back. Good morning. We just had breakfast and apparently there's some basketball thing going on in town. So everybody is giant and I feel like a dwarf. The weather is terrible. It isn't supposed to stop raining. Not what I had planned. There's a line for water, there's a line for the toilet, and now there's a line for the elevator. I just waited 27 minutes for peeing. It seems like every child existing in Gothenburg is here today. I do not like this! Can you be quiet? Can you be quiet? I would like to get out. Where did all this come from? I hate people. What the fuck? lakes in Gothenburg. That one, deep fried with some chili dip. What is this now? Outdoor? You can eat these? How do they taste?
I've never tried them.
Why are they swimming backwards?
I don't know.
What the fuck is this? Dude, I just got scared for a second. Wisdom. Up there. That's why it's so empty. There's too many people. Too many kids. Dude. My tolerance for people is limited.
What the fuck shit?
Oh my god, this is humidity of doom. Holy shit. Get out. Holy shit. Oh my god, it's warm. All of a sudden it's like 100 degrees. Humidity 200%. Fuck. What now, a jail? Now it's fucking crowded and hot as hell. Here we go again. Today we're looking for an auk. Cool, huh?
I do not like this.
Hello. I couldn't find my little auk mini, although it was interesting to walk through a shopping mall looking for kitchen supplies instead of clothes and stuff.
Surströmming is a lightly salted fermented Baltic sea herring traditional to Swedish cuisine since at least the 16th century.
Hard no.
Fermentation process of at least 6 months gives the fish its characteristic strong smell and somewhat acidic taste. A newly opened can of surströmming has one of the most putrid food smells in the world,
Yes.
making surströmming an acquired taste.
No. Hard no. No, Tony.
A newly opened can has one of the most putrid is in bold. Maybe we get a can of it, open it in a desolate area where no one else is around, just so I can see what this freaking stink is.
Okay, Tony, we can do it. I've experienced
Only if
it.
we come across it. I don't want to go special.
Oh, I'm gonna find one for you now. Way better. Good. Perfect.
Where is the rotten flesh? Where is it?
So which one?
I don't know. Each one has a little bit of something I'm interested in. Like truffle mayo, there's chipotle mayo.
Where is the rotten flesh? Where is it? We gotta find that rotten flesh. Tony's gotta try it.
I suggest this one. Can opener, come on. You wanted it, now you gotta try it. Careful.
What the fuck shit? Where do you take me? What the fuck is this shit? What do you ready? What is this? What is that? I don't know what I'm doing. Shit! What the fuck? Where do you take me?
Yeah, it's fucking horrible. Who the fuck eats that? Look, here come the gulls. They'll eat it. I mean, it's awful, but leave it for them.
Bye.
It wasn't bad.
Gross. Whew, wow.
So glad I didn't get that on me though. Oh, fuck.
Dude, next time, we're gonna pick something more Mediterranean.
Yes.
It's been beautiful, but it's been a lot of freezing. So something like Spain, maybe?
Yep. Something warmer.
All right. It's been nice. As always.
Always, always.
They overbooked the plane. They looked for people to fly it later. Or tomorrow. I'm flying tomorrow morning.
Hello again.
How's it going?
That was a quick flight.
What have you been doing?
Oh, just came outside for some air. Was gonna scope out where to grab the train.
Cool.
Thankfully, I waited a while to grab the train.
I'm back.
Hallo, du må lige åbne øjnene og kigge. Du var tæt på rammen.
Det er dig selv, man der
Hallo.
Det er sådan en spasser, mand.
Jeg snakker lige med vagten.